Okay.
Here we have a UTM chart. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 objects in our oil field. This is not very big oil field. First exercise, you're gonna start up from the south of the oil field.
I understand.
You have field arrival exercise. Now vessel is not ready for DP. You're just coming to make the field arrival checklist. After that, you will have a right to proceed for entering.
Okay.
Here you have our main navigational equipment. I mean DGPSs.
Okay.
Always you have to check that power is activated.
Okay.
Power. Every day you have to check, do we have power on DGPS or no. Then Doppler log also should be powered. And echo sound should be powered. Okay? Then, this is main coning on main steering post. You have motor vessel Challenger, which is 30 meters abeam and 120 meters in length. Big vessel.
Big vessel.
This vessel has 2 bow thrusters, 1 azimuth bow thruster, 2 tunnels and 1 azimuth. Then 2 azimuths at the stern, 2 propellers at the stern, and 2 rudders at the stern. So the vessel has enough power.
Yeah.
You will operate with azimuths only.
Ascar, Mercedes.
Yes. Come here. Azimuths. This is your rudder. When you operate rudder, we advise you to adjust AAS overlay.
Okay.
Then here on navigate menu, choose the GPS input, please. Then put appropriate range like 3 miles. Then use rain filter and C-clutter filter to have the picture better. Yeah? Now you see the picture is better.
Okay.
Then adjust VRM for 0.27 cables. I mean 0.27 mile actually. Yeah? 0.27 mile means 500 meters.
500 meters on.
Yes, sir. And adjust another area which is 0.11 mile. That area is known as 200 meters.
Approaching.
This is the zone when you will start up approach in automatic way. Okay?
Understand.
Clear now?
Clear, this is normal procedure for me because every day we are working.
Of course, clear. Good. You are here. This is your oil field. We are about, 2 miles away from oil fields.
Okay.
On 1 mile you will make the trial for your propulsion and for your systems.
This is objections, is a rig which I will be approaching.
Yes, this is oil field.
Oil field and the platforms.
And expected 6 objects with whom you will make operations.
Okay.
Pay attention that here you have start button for all your thrusters, rudders, main propulsion. This handle is not in operation. Why? Because this is for another model. In simulator we have platform which has 4 azimuths, so we don't use it here.
Okay.
But don't touch this handle. You need 2 azimuths at the stern. You see?
Okay.
They are moving 2 azimuths at the stern.
And this is bow thruster.
Yes. Then you have bow thrusters, but they work on synchronous way. What do I mean? When you use one handle, 2 thrusters automatically will give you the thrust.
Understand.
But why do we have 2 handles? Because we have here also stern view. When you have stern view of the simulator,
okay,
this handle is needed because now our thrusters behind of your back.
Understand.
So 2 of them operate on 1 handle.
Just we are going to port.
Yeah, whatever, but have a look. You see, yeah? Then,
this is going to port.
you see coning now is upside down. On coning you can see wind direction, depths, engine, air, startup air, then you can see information about heading and so on. Then, So, to operate with the thrusters, you need those handle of command. Before transfer control on DP, always check manually the available power from conventional bridge on the stern and at the bow. Clear what I say? So first you are at the bow, like in real life.
Yeah.
Then if on supply you need to go to the stern.
Of course, yeah. First we are approaching by bow, then we are making the maneuver and approaching by stern.
Yeah, but here you don't have opportunity to go to the stern. You just press the button and you're already at the stern.
Okay, understand.
All of that is adjusted for the stern immediately.
Yeah, very good.
Okay? And then come closer. Any DP vessel should have emergency shutdown control for the thrusters. If you see wrong performance of the thruster, you take it out from DP and you switch it off with the emergency control button. Okay?
And
here is the panel.
yeah, let's take it manual, yeah?
For this white phone, we need for the calls to the engine room.
I understand.
If you need to prepare vessel for DP, call me. If you have problem with the thruster, call me. If you have problem with the bus tie breaker, call me. Any other propulsion problem, call me.
Okay.
Go like that. Here, we have a special monitor, touchscreen monitor, and on change over control menu, you have opportunity to transfer control to the stern, and then to transfer control to DP.
To DP, understand.
To transfer control to DP, you need to press the main button on dynamic positioning group. The backup button is connected with the CJ. We are not going to use it here.
I understand.
Clear. Then, nav light, if you need. Gyro, steering, gear. You can choose which gyro to use with the steering. AIS, please, you have it also. But the most important for us, visual control. You can adjust the view on this monitor or you can adjust the view with the joystick. This is CCTV, short closed circuit television. Then, change over control. Go to the store, transfer control to DP. Here, before to take control on DP, I will give you a time.
It's possible.
Check this checklist.
Checklist, yes.
Go from the side, please, sir. Another monitor also keeps the duty of onboard repeaters. It shows you log information, DP alert status or DP alert system switch. You can take that switch and can say to everyone that DP is on green or DP is on red. Clear? And then Doppler log, gyro control, echo sounder, anchor control, whatever. That one is emulated equipment. In real life you have real equipment. Here you have just a screen or monitor which emulates some function of real life. Okay? Axis. At the axis you have our oil field border. Do you see?
I understand.
Our anchorages outside the field anchorage and what? South inner anchorage and then northeast. And let's say north. Then you can adjust the scale of the screen. Then all objects are visible for you. You see? Rig 02, rig 15. Each rig has a name. Okay?
Okay.
And then information about pipes and cables in the field is given here in drawing. You see? In dotted line you have pipes. In solid line you have electrical cables. No allowed to make anchorage inside the field, except the anchorage area. Then, when you do the exercise, you open the route, then manage the routes, and pay attention here. For which exercise, where you have passage, you have already prepared route. Exercise 1 to rig 05 we are going right now. Press monitor. If monitor doesn't work, press display and you will see the passage plan. You have to start up from here. You see? This is your first waypoint, then you go like that. Then between few rigs, then you arrive here to the anchorage area. Expecting for next order. We are working with the rig 05. Okay?
Very good.
For exercise 2, the same story. Manage routes on display. The exercise 1, yeah?
On display.
Before to show you exercise 2. And activate the route. From here you will go like that.
I understand.
So during the week you will travel through the all oil field. Every day you have some special exercise.
Understand.
Okay?
Understand. Okay.
Good. Then DP. As soon as you transfer control on DP, you have to take DP station with the take button for DP control.
Understand.
Then the system will be in standby mode. You need to open menu thruster and you need to enable all thrusters. And then you have to press apply and OK.
Okay.
All thrusters are selected. Then go fast in joystick. Then select at least one GPS. Now the vessel is ready for DP.
For DP. Okay.
Then before to start up DP operation class 2, you have to connect at least 3 PRSs and you need to check all your sensors here in sensors menu. So what about gyros? Do you have 3 of them? What about wind sensor? Do you have 2 of them? What about speed? Speed is taken from GPS in that case. Clear?
Clear, yes.
Good. Then, after half an hour on joystick, you are allowed to take auto position. And then you work in 500 meter zone. From 200 meters you go in auto position, giving the order of small steps. 10 meters, 20 meters, 5 meters to go. Checking how the system performs the step-by-step approach. On my channel you can watch the information about 500 meters on approach.
Okay, very good.
Then, back process going to conventional bridge. We take standby, we deselect GPS, we go to the menu thrusters, then enable, then deselect all thrusters, then apply,
Apply. Okay.
or OK.
Okay.
All deselected, and then back to the stern, then connect bow bridge, take manual command.
Understand.
That's a Challenger following all 5 following your algorithm.
Yes, for the rest of Challenger, okay.
Then, as soon as you are free, please proceed in our location. They have information that you are about to transfer some cargo for us. Is it right?
Yeah, correct. Okay, I will.
Okay, Captain. According to our information, you have to come in our location, and we are expecting that you will deliver 25 tons of diesel oil to Rigo 2. Is that right?
It's right, 25 metric tons. It's correct.
Okay, proceed safely. All the points should be planned. Later on, you will send the voyage report to Rig 14, which is coordinator in the tail. And on arrival, proceed lee side. Both cranes are available. Proceed lee side and call us for permission when ready to enter. Over.
Okay, crane from east side are available. Can I proceed to lee side? East, your starboard side.
Answer, Captain. Rigo 2 has both cranes available for operations. Over.
Invitation proceed to your east side crane, starboard side.
Okay, I do copy that. Keep proceed east side crane, please. When in position for DP operations, call me. Over.
Yeah.
Engine room. Engine room. Okay, Captain. In a couple of minutes, I will prepare everything. Engine room. Good day, Captain. All thrusters are running okay. Generators okay. Bus tie breaker open. The vessel ready for DP operations. Okay, Captain. Call me when you are going to enter 500 meters zone. Over. And one question more, Captain. Are you going to use all of that right now, or it was just a preparational check? Okay, Captain. Okay, Captain, I disconnect all plant which is unneeded, and then call me 1 kilometer before arrival in 500 meter zone. I will prepare for you to our plant for maneuvering on the PO. Okay, thank you, Captain. Motor vessel Challenger, radio room, Rigo 2.
802, yeah, okay,
Captain, what is your ETA? What is your ETA, please?
give me 1 minute, I give you some back.
Okay, thank you, Captain. On standby. Station calling O2.
Yeah, channel speaking. ETA 40 minutes from now.
Okay, Captain, in 40 minutes in our location, is it right?
Correct.
Okay, copy that. If needed any support information or additional info, call us, we will give you a hand. So give us a notice 1 kilometer before 500 meters. Over.
Okay, copy. 1 kilometer from Oil rig 0, sorry, oil rig 14, oil rig 14, Challenger.
This is radio room 14.
Service information that we must proceed to oil rig 02, so I call you and need your permission for that point.
Okay, Captain, you are out of my responsibility, at least you are standing outside of 500 meters zone. Okay, proceed. You proceed according to your sequence plan. Thanks for your information. Over.
Yeah, have a good day.
Good luck. Engine room, Captain. In maneuver mode, as promised, 4 generators running. Don't overload the power plant more than 70%, please. Over. Motor vessel Challenger and start calling you. Over. Information, Captain, take care about the traffic inside the oil field. We have movable targets, so all of them will not react. Only your maneuver is expected. Over. Security, navigation warning, link 15. Expected increasing of wind condition, direction, true north, course 20 knots. Over. Challenger, Rigo 2. Good day, Captain. Once again, do you have water for bunker on already available? Because we have information that you have in stock during water. We would like to cover also that if you can do the favor.
Yeah, now I have checked and come back to you. Thank you for answering. Following the 2 Challenger.
This is Challenger at the room I have.
What the quantity will be your water?
We would like to have at least 30 tons. Over.
Okay, copy. We can all this.
Okay, Captain.
stand forward, DV27. Proceed for control, Richard Park. Please come on 0909. 09. We'll have a pleasure tomorrow and say that we have instruction for marine logistics to take the place of Amazon Type after she came off station number 14. Now I'm stopping the outer vehicle. What is your instruction? Should I stand by outside until the captain? And I need marine logistics, Richard Type. Sorry, logistics, I'm going to want to.
Can I do that again? I believe you have completed that.
You believe we are completed what?
Yes. Look at that. We take 1 hour. Now move on 1 hour.
Yeah, I think that
Look at that. Mr. Renner. Complete.